Hi, this is yours Ravish. See your ideas. Observe carefully. What is the topic here? See, what is the topic here? The hybridization. See, hybridization is very important topic according to JEE Mains point of view, my dears. Please be focused. I will say the beautiful trick to find out the hybridization if any compound. See, types of compounds, charged ions, the positive charged ions or negative charged ions, odd electron species. So simple molecules also we'll discuss. Though this is very beautiful trick, so be focused. Here, let's start here, hybridization. See here, the first of all, hybridization. Hybridization. See here, hybridization. Actually here, the four parts is there for according to JEE point of view. So what is that four parts? First is hybridization. After that, shape of the molecule. After that, number of lone pairs and number of bond pairs. So in these four parts, the definitely it will come the JEE Mains question. So definitely every year it will becomes appear that question. So my dears, be focused. Here, the first of all, hybridization. So we'll see the hybridization. See here, first required here, the 2 points is required here. So what is that 2 points actually? Here, the point number one, that is group number, right? Next is valency. The 2 points, if you know the 2 points, it is very easy to attend that hybridization questions. See, I will begin very simple molecule. That is first molecule, simple molecule. I will take BF2. BF2. Now here the beryllium is central atom. Beryllium is a central atom. So right. So beryllium is a central atom. Beryllium group number of beryllium. Beryllium, that is second group. Right. Now what about that valency of hydrogen? See here. Valency of hydrogen, that is, sorry my dears, sorry, not hydrogen, fluorine, right? So valency of fluorine is what? 1. Valency of fluorine is 1. So now here, the valency 1 means it makes only single bond. It makes single bond, right? So now you observe careful. Now here the beryllium, right here the beryllium. So group number is 2. So valence electrons are 2. Right? Now here, how many hydrogens are there? 2 fluorines are there, right? So 2 fluorines, it makes 2 bonds. Why? Because 2 fluorines are there, so that is the reason it makes 2 bonds. That's all. Now here, hold on right now. So half of the work is done. Right now we have to look at the board carefully, my dears. Here the steric number. The steric number means what actually? The steric number means here the number of sigma bonds plus number of lone pairs. See, steric number means what? Number of sigma bonds plus number of lone pairs. See, that is very important. You have to, any circumstances, you have to learn this formula, right? The number of sigma bonds plus number of lone pairs. See, if it is steric number is 2. If steric number is 2, so that hybridization is sp hybridization. If steric number is 2, sp hybridization. If steric number is 3, sp2 hybridization. If steric number is 4, sp3 hybridization. If steric number is 5, sp3d hybridization. Steric number is 6, that means steric number is 6. Hybridization is sp3d2. If steric number is 7, sp3d3. So this is very important. You have to learn like anything, right? This is a very simple. If you doing some examples, so that time you will be remember automatically, my dears. Now you have to be focused. Steric number equal to number of sigma bonds plus number of lone pairs. Now here, observe carefully. Comes here. Now here, what about that beryllium steric number here? See here, steric number What about the steric number here? Observe carefully. Sir, how many sigma bonds are there? All single bonds are sigma bonds. This is one sigma, this is one sigma. So 2 sigma bonds. 2 sigma bonds plus any lone pairs, no lone pairs. Why? Because 2 electrons bonded with 2 fluorines. So no lone pairs, 0 lone pairs, 0 lone pairs. Then steric number is what? 2 plus 0, 2. Now see here, almost the finished. See here, observe carefully, the steric number is 2. Then what about that hybridization? Steric number is 2, so hybridization is sp hybridization. That's all. Here the steric number is 2. The steric number is 2. So that is the reason. Hybridization of beryllium F2. F2 hybridization is sp. sp. Now this is about BF2. Now next example. See here BF3. Second example we'll see BF3. Now here the group number of boron, group number of boron, right? 3. Now what about the valency of fluorine? Valency of fluorine, what? 1. Now here the central atom is boron, so that is the reason we have considered boron group number, right? Now here boron group number is 3, so valence electrons, 3 valence electrons will be present. First electron, second electron, third electron, right? Third electron. Now how many fluorines are there? 3 fluorines are there, so it makes 3 bonds. Second fluorine, third fluorine. Now here what about the steric number? The steric number, see here the steric number, the number of sigma bonds. How many sigma bonds are there? 1 sigma, second sigma, third sigma. Here observe careful, all single bonds are sigma bonds, right? Here, so 3 sigma bonds are there. 3 sigma bonds plus number of lone pairs. Any lone pairs? No lone pairs. Why? Because 3 electrons are bonded with 3 fluorines, right? So 0 lone pairs. 0 lone pairs. So 0 lone pairs. LP stands for lone pairs. 0 lone pairs. Now here, steric number is 3. Then what about the hybridization? The steric number is 3. The hybridization is sp2 hybridization. That's all. See here, there is hybridization of BF3. Hybridization of BF3 is sp2 hybridization. That's all. Now next to see here, third example. See. CH4. Sir, here the central atom is a carbon, sir. Central atom is carbon, sir. So group number of carbon is right? Group number of carbon is what? 4, right? 4. So 4th here, so right, we consider as 4, right? 4, right? 4. Now what about the valency of hydrogen? Valency of hydrogen. So valency of hydrogen is 1. That's all. Keep here 1. Now see, here the group number is 4. So valence electrons, how many valence electrons is present in that? 4 valence electrons. First electron, second electron, third electron, fourth electron. Now how many hydrogens are there? 4. So it makes 4 bonds. First hydrogen, second hydrogen, third hydrogen, fourth hydrogen. See, almost completed, right? Now just what about the steric number? The steric number is number of sigma bonds. How many sigma bonds? All single bonds are sigma bonds. Point number 1. See here, this is 1 sigma, second sigma, third sigma, fourth sigma. So 4 sigma bonds plus any lone pairs? No lone pairs. Why? Because 4 electrons are there, 4 electrons are bonded with hydrogen, right? So here no lone pairs. So that is the reason 0 lone pairs. 0 lone pairs. So totally 4 plus 0, 4. So here observe careful, the steric number is 4. The steric number is 4. So that is the reason. So what is the hybridization? The hybridization is sp3 hybridization. sp3 hybridization. So here observe carefully here what is the required here? The requirement here, the group number and valency, that is a very important. The 2 points are very important. So that is the reason you have to learn groups, right? 3rd A, 4th A, 5th A, 6th A, 7th A, and noble gases also you have to learn in any circumstances. So that is very important, right? You have to take down this all points fast. Now let's another simple molecule we'll see. See one more simple molecule, that is 4th molecule, right? PCL5. Here the phosphorus is central atom, chlorine is surrounded atom, right? So group number, central atom group number of central atom, that is phosphorus, right? Phosphorus is fifth group, right? Now what about the valency? Valency of chlorine is chlorine 1. So valency 1 means it makes single bond, that's all, right? Now observe carefully here. The phosphorus, here I will write. So group number is 5. So valence electrons are 5. First electron, second electron, third electron, fourth electron, fifth electron. Now here how many chlorines are there? 5 chlorines are there. So that is the reason. First chlorine, second chlorine, third chlorine, fourth chlorine, fifth chlorine. Now here, what about the steric number? The steric number is number of sigma bonds plus number of lone pairs. That's all. Here, what about the steric number? The steric number is number of sigma bonds. So all single bonds are sigma bonds. 1 sigma, second sigma, third sigma, fourth sigma, fifth sigma. So 5 sigma bonds plus any lone pairs? No lone pairs, right? 0 lone pairs. 0 lone pairs. Totally 5 plus 0, that equal to 5. So steric number is 5. So what is steric number is 5? So which hybridization that is? That is steric number is 5. That is sp3d hybridization. So you have to remember these, just these 6 points, my dear. That's all. Here the steric number is 5. So that is the reason sp3d hybridization. So PCL5 hybridization is sp3d. That's all. Now next you see, next example, 5th one. Here observe carefully. SF6 SF6. Here central atom is sulfur. Central atom is sulfur. The surrounded atom is fluorine. So group number of central atom, group number of central atom, that is sulfur. S stands for sulfur, right? Sixth group. So now, what about that fluorine? So fluorine valency of fluorine 1. So valency 1 means it makes single bond, right? It makes single bond, right? If valency is 2, it makes double bond. If valency 3, so it forms 3 bonds. So valency means what? The combining capacity of an element, that is a valency, right? Here, now observe careful. Sulfur, group number is 6. So that's what? So that is the reason valence electrons are 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. How many fluorines are there? 5 fluorines are there. Sorry, 6 fluorines are there. Third, fourth, fifth, sixth. See, this was finished. Now here, observe carefully. What about that steric number? The steric number is number of sigma bonds plus lone pairs. See how many sigma bonds are there? All single bonds are sigma bonds. The first sigma, second sigma, third sigma, fourth sigma, fifth sigma, 6 sigma bonds. 6 sigma bonds are present. 6 sigma bonds. 6 sigma bonds. Plus any lone pairs? Any lone pairs? No lone pairs, right? 0 lone pairs. 0 lone pairs. So 6 sigma bonds, 0 lone pairs. So 6 plus 0, that equal to 6. So steric number is 6. Steric number is 6. So what is hybridization? The hybridization is sp3d2. That's all. Here, observe careful. The SF6 hybridization is sp3d2 due to steric number is 6. That's all. Now here, 6 examples. See. IF7. Here central atom is iodine. Surrounded atom fluorine. So group number of central atom. Group number of iodine, that is seventh group. So valency of fluorine, that is 1. Now here, see, group number 7. So how many valence electrons will be present in that? 7 electrons is present. First electron, second electron, third electron, fourth electron, fifth electron, sixth electron, seventh electron. Now here, how many fluorines are surrounded? 7 fluorines. So 7 bonds will form, right? Here, the first bond, second fluorine, and third fluorine, fourth fluorine, fifth fluorine, sixth fluorine, and seventh fluorine. Now here, see, what about the steric number? The steric number is, see here, how many sigma bonds are there? First, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 sigma bonds. All single bonds are sigma bonds. Note down this point. Here, the 7 sigma bonds. 7 sigma bonds. Any lone pairs? No lone pairs. Right? 0 lone pairs. 0 lone pairs. So, what about the steric number? 7 plus 0? 7. So steric number is 7. So that is the reason. What is hybridization? sp3d3. Steric number is 7. So hybridization is sp3d3. That's all. Here the hybridization of IF7 is what? sp3d3. So this is a very simple molecules, right? Now we'll do some difficult examples we'll see, and moreover after that JEE mains previous questions also will do. So please take down. So after that we'll discuss further examples, please.